seems he was afraid of those he didn't know.
I always wanted to be a concert pianist, and in fact, I've applied for law school twice and gotten in twice, but I've never gone to law school because I just loved music in general. I loved singing in choirs and I loved watching people sing. I just have a need to do it.
Always obsessed with what they had to say, the elusive thing. Forget them, you may say, but he did himself in one.
Obviously you have to be skilled and talented and all of that, but that you won't give up on something. You have a need to do something, and the passion that drives that need, that's really what is most attractive to other people when you're an artist. It's just about how devoted you are to something.
Who are you, Vincent? A lost little boy is in there somewhere, waiting to jump free. I don't know, I want to play, but the world's not ready for me.
Our kind of country's culture or our continental cultures are all becoming connected. Like you said, when the people leave their homes, or when there's a pull to kind of learn new things or try new things or change things, there's always the opposite goes just as strongly. So when people choose to do that, there's going to be a group of people who choose to stay, who choose not to change, who choose to be more traditional. In terms of music and culture, my opinion is that we're all kind of becoming more individuals.
Vincent left and I woke up, suddenly free, knowing that they is also known as we.
Music was written for somebody, it was written for God, or it was written for the general public. In pop music, there's a specific demographic. In rap music, there's a specific demographic. We write for audiences specifically. And we're trying to make them feel something. And if somebody truthfully and honestly needs to communicate something through music, I am all for it.
Who am I really? You won't forget, I am me, finally free. And when you want to play,
I think I learned most of all in New York that perseverance and passion are always the key components behind something. And I love the connection of teaching, because I don't even think of it as teaching. I think of it just like catching a ball and passing it on. It's not, I'm teaching you how to do this because this is the only way. It's just information sharing in person. And I love it.
it's you.